Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a ShopRite grocery food haul. I just went shopping. I went to ShopRite and I bought a few groceries. So let's get started with the grocery haul. The first thing I did pick up, I picked up 3 of these Diet Cherry Pepsis I'm always grabbing. I'll take the rest of the other 2 out when I'm doing the haul because I'm just randomly going through bags. But I did buy 3 of those. And then I picked up one of these. These are sweet peppers. They're for your sandwiches. Like you can put them on any type of sandwiches, hoagies, whatever. My son likes to put them on all kinds of his sandwiches and stuff like that. I picked up a whole bunch of these Purdue chicken breast. These are thinly boneless chicken breast. I believe I picked up 6 or something like that. I'm not sure. I didn't pick up any pork this time from over there or any other stuff. I just picked up a whole bunch of these because they were cheap. A lot of Purdue thinly chicken. I like to cook these, bread them up. You could chop them up. You could put them in basically anything. And then I picked up these Francisco Rinaldi Alfredo sauce. Now, I make homemade Alfredo sauce with cream cheese. But I grabbed these anyway because they were only 99 cents. So I grabbed, I believe, 2 of those. So here's the other one. Sorry, guys. I'm just randomly going through bags really quickly. Okay, now, these were on sale. The large size. The large size of the Reese's Puffs cereal. You get 3 big ones for $5. So that's a good deal. So even though I got like maybe 90 things of cereal, I mean a whole lot of cereal, and I don't even need any, but I couldn't pass this up. So the Reese's Puffs, 3 for $5, and this is the large size. And then this one's on sale for $1.50. That's it. So this is the Cinnamon Life cereal. I love Life. I remember way back in the days, little Mikey was on there on the commercial saying he likes it, he likes it. That was really funny. All right. Then I picked up these tri-colored rotini noodles. I like to make this with my bacon, chicken, blue cheese salad, Italian salad that I make. So I use those colored rotinis for that. And you can basically use these for anything. So I got that. I got a whole bunch of these Knorr side dishes again. These are good for stocking up in your pantry and your cabinets, prepping. I got like hundreds and hundreds of them. I only picked the flavors that I actually like. The other stuff I don't like. But I have a whole bunch of the cheesy cheddar, which is really good. I like the cheesy cheddars. And I got Parmesan, which is like spinach noodles and white egg noodles. And then I got this Mexican rice. This is not real true Mexican rice, but this is like a quick side dish, and it tastes good. It tastes just like Mexican food. The flavor, I mean. So, and then I got Parmesan. Most of this is the cheese ones. So I got a whole bunch of those. So let me see if I can put these aside. And I only did a little bit. I might go back later and do shopping, but like I said, I have like 10 or 20 year supply of food. I have so much stuff anyway. So I just try to squeeze some of this stuff in. I don't want to like keep buying and buying and buying like I usually do because it'll overfill. And you got to use up all the food fast. So I got 2 things of the reduced fat blue cheese, crumbled blue cheese. Then I also picked up a big block right here. A huge stack right here of salami. I love salami. And this is fresh from the deli department. This is a big, huge sliced cheeses. This is American cheese. American. And then I got 2 things of bacon right here. This is from Jimmy Dean. So these are the Jimmy Dean bacons. I picked up a hickory smoked Jimmy Dean bacon. And then this one here is the applewood smoked. So these are for my salads and other foods. I got a thing of chorizos. This is like an Italian brand, but it's still fresh chorizos. Chorizo is like a Mexican, little bit of how you say it? It's a sausage, but it has like paprika and it's really delicious. So that's good in a lot of Mexican cooking. I got some ground pork. Got more ground pork. And I use ground chicken, ground pork, and ground beef. So I like all of that. I just don't mess with veal. I got a thing of Ambisol. I love Ambisol. This is good for when your tooth or gums be aching. My gum is aching a little bit once in a while. Every time I need a floss, it starts aching in this one spot. I think I might need a root canal later on, so I might, just use that for the time being. Then I got 2 of the Purdue's little popcorn chickens this time. So I bought the popcorn chicken. They're already cooked. They're little popcorn chickens. So I got those. Whoops. Okay. Everything's falling, guys. And then I picked up a couple boxes of these Goya rice primavera. This is like spring vegetables with cheese flavored. That's really, really good. I like to make these. And I put meat in it and all that good stuff. And that's from Goya. And then I picked up this huge calcium-infused country crock margarine or butter, whatever. Got that. And then I got another jar of hot peppers, sandwich toppers. My son likes to put these on his sandwiches. And then I got a whole bunch of spaghettis. This is the ShopRite brand. I picked up linguine. So these are good for prepping. So I got 2 linguinis. And all the pastas over there in every shape were like 80-something cents. So, yeah, I already have a lot of sauces and so much stuff in my storage. So I decided to get those. And then this is the, how you say it? Persiatelli. And these are like really thick, long. It's something like a long string noodle. I don't know how you describe it, but these were 97 cents. So they're still cheap. Like they're still basically $1. So I picked up 2 boxes of those because I'm going to make bacon Italian carbonara with this. So, and then I got 3 loaves of white bread, just simple bread. And then I picked up just one little thing of just some simple toilet paper. And then also, whoops, let me see. I picked up a bag right here. I have it inside these plastic bags. A whole bunch of bananas. I got a whole bunch of bananas there. And then I did pick up three long little how you say it? 3 things of green onions, which are scallions. I love these. I'm gonna clean these really good. I'm gonna chop these up and I'm gonna freeze them. Put them in my containers that I bought at the Dollar Tree because it's easier like that. Because I notice when I buy them, a lot of times I leave them in the refrigerator and I use them off and on, and then after a while they go bad and they start wrinkling up here, and they just go bad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean them all. I'm going to chop them real good, and I'm going to store them in my container and freeze them. So that way, when I need green onions and all my recipes and soups and all that stuff, and eggs and all that good stuff, I could put these in anything. Love that stuff. Onions are good for you. Love it, love it, love it. And I picked up, like I said, I had 3 of the Diet Pepsis, of the cherry Diet Pepsis. And then the last few little items. Oh my goodness. Don't tell me it's leaking in the bag again, guys. Oh my goodness. I hate this shit. When something leaks. Does the bag. I can smell the fragrance and it smells soapy. So I picked up 4 bottles of these Vagisil feminine washes. I have these already. I have a whole bunch in my stockpile. So, whoops. Sorry, guys. It's like slippery. So one of these bottles is leaking. This one's the lilac one. Yep. See how it's slippery? Like, oh my goodness. Then I have this one. This is cucumber melon. I never seen the cucumber melon before. I also have jasmine peach and all them other ones. Then here I picked up another jasmine, which is the pretty flower here, yellow. And then I picked up this one. This is a new one. This is rose all day. So I guess this is roses. Okay, so I thought it was cherries, but it's actually roses. So that's pretty cool. These were 5 something each. So they're a little pricey, but I'm kind of ticked off right now because this is leaking a little bit. It was in the bag, like, I don't know whoever packed it. So anyway, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this ShopRite grocery haul. Stay tuned for more videos. I will be doing more again, as always. Let me put all this stuff away, and I will talk to you guys later on. Have a good day, guys, and stay blessed. Bye.